Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to use AI to extend your wallpaper on iPhone. Let's have a look. Before I start, make sure you are using iPhone iOS 27 or later. First, you need to open Photos app on your iPhone. Select the photo to use as wallpaper. Now you need to tap share button on bottom left and scroll up. Tap use as wallpaper. Here you need to tap special scenes and turn it off. Now you need to use two finger to pinch. Immediately you will see extend button on bottom right. Tap extend on bottom right, extending your wallpaper. This can take a moment. When extending done, you can customize clock and you can add other widgets. Finally, tap add on top right. Then tap add as wallpaper pair. Close Photos app, go to lock screen. Here you can see extended wallpaper using AI. So these are the steps to use AI to extend your wallpaper on iPhone iOS 27.